How do intrinsic and extrinsic motivation drive behavior? Imagine you're trying to get someone to start exercising regularly. You might wonder what really pushes people to move and stick with it. Well, understanding what makes us act is a fascinating puzzle. It turns out, motivation comes from two main sources, inside us and outside us. Intrinsic motivation is when we do something because it feels good or meaningful. For example, someone might dance because they love the way it makes them feel, not because they want a prize. They find joy in the activity itself. Extrinsic motivation is driven by external factors. Think of working a job just for the paycheck or studying to get good grades. The reward or avoiding a negative outcome pushes us to act. These two types of motivation influence behavior differently. When we're motivated from within, we tend to stay engaged longer. We become more creative, persistent, and willing to face challenges because we feel autonomous and capable. On the other hand, external rewards can boost performance quickly, especially for tasks we find boring. But if those rewards disappear, motivation often drops, and the behavior might stop altogether. Interestingly, experiments show that giving external rewards for something people already enjoy can sometimes backfire. This is called the overjustification effect. It makes people see the activity as just a means to get the reward, not for its own sake. So their internal drive diminishes. From a behavioral intervention point of view, knowing this helps us design better programs. If we want lasting change, we should focus on fostering intrinsic motivation. That means creating environments where people feel they have choices, can develop skills, and feel connected to others. For example, instead of just offering prizes for exercising, we could help people find activities they genuinely enjoy and feel competent doing. But external rewards still have their place. They can help start a behavior when motivation is low or the task isn't pleasant. Linking rewards to meaningful goals can make a task feel more worthwhile. For instance, telling someone that finishing a tough assignment will let them go to a fun event can boost their effort. In strange science experiments, animals sometimes act in playful ways without obvious rewards, hinting at intrinsic drives beyond just survival. Other studies show how social observation can both increase or decrease motivation, depending on the context. So, in the end, intrinsic motivation fuels behavior from within, making us more creative and persistent. External motivation relies on outside incentives, which can boost effort temporarily. Combining these insights helps us craft better strategies for encouraging lasting behavior change.